Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create email to case in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing to do is to go to your setup in Salesforce. Basically, we need just to click on this icon here in the setup menu. We need just to click on setup. So from here, we need just to search for email to case or case, anything that would allow us to find the email to case. So here in the services, we can find email dash to dash case. So we click on it, and from here, we need just to wait for the page to load. And as we can see, now we can turn the customer email to cases. So I'm just going to continue. You can check don't show me this page and it has only some informations about this feature. So I'm going to click on continue and from here we will be able to edit these settings. So make sure that the email to case is enabled and now you will be able to start creating new ones. So here you can find the email to case and Outlook one. So I'm just going to click on new and from here you can have some routine addresses. So basically, we need just to add the routine name and their email address for the people that you want to send the emails. And here you have some informations about the emails or configurations about the emails. And here, what matters the most is the case settings. And of course, if you want to create tasks from the email, you will be able to. So from here in the case, you can choose the case owner, and those are either your queues that you will have here, or you can choose your users. So from here, you can choose any users that you have or any queue. And from there, you can set a case priority and a case origin. And after that, you will be able to have some flow for your cases. And then you will be, or you will need only to click on save and you will have your email to case that has been created successfully. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.